In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 second monitor flickering. If your second screen is flashing, tearing, or randomly going black for a moment. The most common cause is an incorrect or unstable refresh rate. We'll adjust that setting first, then perform a quick graphics driver reset to stabilize things, all without installing anything extra. Start by opening Settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. That brings up the main Windows settings window. From here, click on System. System is where Windows groups core options for your displays, sound, notifications, and more, so it's the right place to fix visual issues. Next, click on Display. This is where you'll see a preview of your monitors. If you're using a second screen, Windows will list each display, usually labeled 1 and 2. We want to make sure we're adjusting the correct one. Look for the drop-down or tiles at the top that let you pick which display you're managing, then select your second monitor. If you're unsure which is which, the numbers on the screen previews typically match the numbers that briefly appear on the monitors when you click Identify, but just stick to selecting your second display here. Now scroll down and find the refresh rate setting. On many systems, you'll see a section that says, Choose a refresh rate. On some versions of Windows 11, you might need to click Advanced Display to get to the refresh rate dropdown. Either way, make sure the rate matches what your monitor supports. Common values are 60 Hz, 75 Hz, 120 Hz, or 144 Hz. If you see an option marked Recommended, choose that first. Picking a rate your monitor can't reliably handle can cause flickering, so matching the supported rate is key. After you change it, your screen may blink briefly. That's normal. If the flicker continues, we'll restart the graphics driver. This does not close your apps or sign you out, but it will make your screens go black for a second, and you might hear a beep. Press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B at the same time. Give it a moment to reset. When the display comes back, check your second monitor again. At this point, most flickering caused by refresh rate mismatches or minor driver hiccups should be resolved. If you're still seeing issues, double-check that the refresh rate stayed on the recommended setting for the second display. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get a stable, flicker-free setup.